iPhone 15 best camera settings. Get highest video resolution in iPhone 15. So follow this professional quality video recording guide. So first of all you have to do is open the settings app from your iPhone's home screen. Once inside the settings app, scroll down and look for the camera option available there and simply tap on the camera. Then, once inside the camera, select the record video option available and select 4K at 60 fps frames per second. This gives you Ultra HD plus smooth motion, and also it takes more storage. Then scroll down and there you can see HDR video option available. Make sure that it is toggled on. It enables Dolby Vision HDR, better brightness and contrast. Some platforms don't fully support HDR. Colors may look off unless converted. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.